Hey y'all, just a small warning. Your girl looking like crap in this video because I had just got out of bed when my niece got over here so we can start her hair. And at the last minute, I was like, you know what? I should make this a video. So I just threw something on so we can get into this, how we get into this. And my room is junky because it was cleanup day. So I didn't get to that yet. So excuse the mess. Excuse the mess. All right. Excuse me. I'm looking ratch. It's real ratch. Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a little lady over here. Okay, a little lady over here. And we are about to do her some butterfly locks. She been wanting some for a little minute. She been asking me like, can you do it? So today is the day that we gonna put some butterfly locks in her hair. Okay, and I said let's make it a video because somebody out there may need to know how to do this. Okay, so that's what we gonna do. You want to start your hair off in some plaques like this. You know, however many locks you're going to put in, you put that many braids. Okay, so start it off like that. And you will need this kind of hair. You need some Freetress. I'm not even looking at myself. You need some Freetress water wave hair. Focus. Yes. Okay, this kind of hair you use. They also have some more like kinky looking hair that you can do it with. I actually like it better with the kinky looking hair. But it depends on the texture of your hair. I like kinky because my hair is a little kinky. Okay, but this is the kind of hair you use. We got like, how many packs you got?
Like 5.
5 packs. And you need you a crochet needle. Okay, get that from your local beauty supply. I think I got this from like one of those crochet things you used to make. I don't know what it's called, but I got this tool from there. But you can get these from what did I say? Oh, a beauty supply store. And some clips or hair bands, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, let's get into this. Show y'all how to do a couple of these butterfly locks. So this is how the hair looks once you take it off the pack. Okay. Look at my little niece. Ain't she so pretty? She's so beautiful. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look. Okay, to do one lock, you need 2 of these. Okay, here you go, baby girl. You need 2 of these for one lock. Got me? Got me. Put it through the base of the braid. Okay. Latch this on. Close the little hooky thing. Pull it through. Okay. Booyah. And then you pull one through. Okay. So then you have it like this. Alright. Now you want to take one side and pull it short. This is the side. This is the how long you gonna want them? How long do you want them, Pete? Okay. So she wants them to her shoulder. So you'll make it that side short, right? And you take it. This is driving me crazy. Alexa, pause. My goodness. They trying to talk, I'm trying to talk. Sheesh. Hope they heard me all this time. Okay. And what I like to do is wrap it around the base a couple of times so that you can't really see the braid in there. Okay? And then you just take it, you know, make it a little rough. Get the curls out. Run your fingers through a couple of times. And then you just take it and you wrap it. Wrap it. Now to get the little distressed look, like wrap it around your finger. You do it around your thumb. couple of times. And then you like let it go so that it won't look so all up on you. You feel me? I kind of just be tweaking it, playing around with it so it can look, you know, crazy. Crazy. Now, once you get to how long you want it, which I usually just do it to the end of the hair, really. And then you take the other piece that was short, that short piece you had, and you flip it upside down, right? And then you just take the excess that you have and you start going back upwards. You get me? This is my first time actually doing this on somebody else. I usually only do it on myself because I'm not a hairstylist. Okay. But she asked me and I could not resist. I could not turn her down. Okay, y'all. You just keep wrapping until you can't wrap no more. Alright. And then after you're done, you take it in your hand and you freak it. This is gonna give it that whole distressed look and make it stay, you know? And there you have a lock. Let me get up close. And this is how it looks after. Focus up. Alright, so boom. That's how it looks when it's done. Nice little lock. Boop. And then you repeat, okay? So let us get into this, how we get into this. And then we will come back and show y'all another one. But let us get into this, because we ain't got all day, right? All right, we'll be back. Okay, y'all, we are done. This is the end result of the butterfly locks. You see her? You see her? Yes. Ooh, girl, what's your name? I love your hair. Yeah, so this is the end result of the butterfly locks. So I hope that this video helped you if you ever thought about, you know, doing some butterfly locks. Oh, I'm sorry, did I poke an eye?
No.
But yeah, so I hope this video helped anybody who wanted to try butterfly locks. Y'all know I got y'all. Let me know if you've tried this style, if this helped you out. We lit, period. So go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more of me. And if you don't, but you don't, I fucking appreciate it. Hey! Okay? Uh-oh. And until next time, say bye.
Bye, goons.
Period.